Hallelujah. Glory to God. That's who we are. We're Jamaicans. If you're not from Jamaica, let me see your hands. If you're not from Jamaica. Yes. We thank you all for coming out. And let me just say this at the beginning of the evening, that you need to find yourself beside someone from Jamaica, because you're definitely going to need a translator. Amen. See, one of the first things I did before I got anywhere in this country as it relates to status is I decided to learn the American national anthem. I said to myself, suppose one day immigration come down by me son. At least me have something I could I try impress them with. I stand up and looking at the mirror and I say, oh, say glad you see. You think you're an idiot? You're smart in a foreign. Stay there. I remember my friend I come a foreign, and when he get to airport, I find the passport in company. And when he come at airport, the immigration officer say, is this you, sir? Him say, yes. Him say, your name is Trevor Brown. Him say, yes, sir, I'm me. The man say, you're sure you're Trevor? The man say, you don't see me picture. Me and Trevor Brown. Him say, well, Trevor Brown is wanted in the USA on gun charges. Him say, I'm my picture, but I don't my name. Around with we. We travel on the highway, and I've stayed in the nicest hotels. I said, America nice. And I said, let me move here and live. And then me come here, Lord Jesus. What a struggle. Especially when you're illegal. Some people don't want to laugh. But stay there. Hey, life hard and illegal, don't it? But you know what? We are doing well for ourselves. Yes. We're not war with nobody. Right. You know, only sometimes some woman war over man and then something. But you know that's always going on. Jamaicans now have no issue. We are good people and we love Jesus and we not stop say so. And we work hard. We work 2 and 3 jobs and something just got one little car and one house. You see, when we come and find out 2 things that on our mind, car and house. And we want 1 week's vacation every year. And we have got Jamaica as soon as we get it. And then we come back and complain all them beggy down there. And we are planning to go back next year. That's who we are. That's who we are. In America, it's terrible. The police, them are going bad. No, for real. The police, them are going bad in America. Me personally said to myself, me now make them police treat me. The other day, one young man coming from up by Jupiter, and he broke down on the road and they shot him. It was a tragic thing, you know. And I said to myself, I won't let that happen to me. I said, when the policeman stopped me, me I roll out a car so. Oh, you know, make him beat me. Before they said anything to me, I said, hold on, officer. Me will do it myself. Me I drape up myself. You know when the police them so wicked that them a beat you and them a talk about no, stop resisting. Me I lick myself, me I say stop. Me I lick myself, me I say stop resisting. Do not resist. No, me not make them brutalize me foreign. Me don't want nobody demonstrate for me. Because usually when you're dead, them a demonstrate. You understand what I'm saying? Me will demonstrate after everything done. Me call down my station the next morning and say, them beat me. But that's who we are. The other day, me hear about New York, something bad going on in New York. Policeman hold the big old man and choke him. Man drop a ground, the man say, I cannot breathe. 17 times the man says so. And they still choke him. You feel it?
Yes.
Feel it?
Yes.
It hurt me.
Yes.
Can me find myself, I said to the police, me can't breathe. You understand? Same thing happened to me. One is that me decide to go jogging and through me fat, me nearly dead. Thank God one policeman dead. Me say me can't breathe. Policeman pick me up and me say God bless you. Me say ladies and gentlemen, let me stop.